Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to recall what is matrices and what are the types of matrices. Right children? Today I am going to recall what? Matrices. Right? The chapter is matrices and determinants. Right? Matrices and determinants. What is matrix first of all? Anyone? What is matrix? Matrix is nothing but Matrix is nothing but what? It is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in a horizontal line as well as vertical line. Horizontal should be represented as row. Vertical line means that is column. Right? Definition of matrix first. What is matrix? Anyone you have to say? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement. Right? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arrangement of sorry children, arrangement of numbers in a horizontal line horizontal lines and vertical lines. Right? Vertical lines. Right? Numbers are enclosed by the square bracket or open parenthesis. Right? Numbers are enclosed by square bracket or open parenthesis. Square brackets or open parenthesis. Square bracket or open parenthesis. Right? Parenthesis. It is denoted by capital letters. Right? It is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. Right? It is denoted by any of the capital letter. Right? Now, for example, if you want to write example, it may be a number or it may be alphabet or names or anything it will come under. Right? A equal to even trigonometry function will come. Right? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? The numbers arranged in a rectangle type it should be in a horizontal line. This one we call it as row. Horizontal line we call it as row. This one we call it as column. Right? Vertical line is column. Horizontal line is row. Right? Now, order of the matrix. How to say the order of the matrix? Order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is nothing but a matrix has m rows and n columns. For example, in general, right? A matrix A has, if a matrix A has m rows means what I said, horizontal line, and n columns. Column means vertical line. Columns, then A is called order of matrix. A is called a matrix of order. A is called a matrix of order m by n. You should not say m into n. You can say m by n. Example, I am going to give you, see. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? It is a matrix. Now, how many rows are there? Horizontal arrangement I told you. 1, this one, 2. How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2. That means order of, then order of matrix X equal to what? Number of rows by number of columns. How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. Got it, children? One more example I will give you. You see. Y is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. I said not only the number, even alphabet also arranged in matrix, right? How many rows are there? 1, 2. 1, 2. How many columns? Vertical. 1, 2. This one has 3. What is the order of matrix X? Order of matrix Y equal to what? Number of rows by number of columns. That means 2 by 3. Got it, children? How we are getting? Now, general form of matrix, right? General form of matrix. How to represent general form of matrix? Matrix of order m by n as, see here, A11. In general, this is first row, first element, first row, second element, first row, third element. Like that it will go on. Finally, A what? A1I, etc. A1n. Right? The same way you should write it in the column wise also. Right? Column means how it is. A21. Right? Second row, first element. Second row, second element. Second row, ith element. Second row, nth element. Right? Second element, third element, like that, nth element. Now, last one is what? M1, that is mth row first element, mth row second element, mth row ith element, mth row nth element, right? See here, 1 minute, the matrix format alone I will erase. Right, children? It should be enclosed by a square bracket or open parenthesis. Or open parenthesis, right? Sorry, open parenthesis, right? I is equal to 1, 2, etc. up to m. J is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, etc. up to n. Shortly, how to write this? Aij m by n matrix in general, right? Shortly, this format how to write? Shortly, that the format A11, that is Aij, I equal to 1 to m, j equal to 1 to n. Ith row and jth column, ith row and jth column. Then what is row matrix? Row matrix means what? The element arranged only in the horizontal line, only one row. Row matrix. I will recall the matrix concept first, right? Row matrix. A matrix has a matrix having only one row. Only one row is called row matrix. Example, A equal to A11, A12, etc. A1I, etc. A1n, right? I is equal to, that is what? 1 by n. Only one row, right? First row, first element, first row, second element, first row, third element, like that it will go on. I will give one example for this. See, A equal to 1, 2. How many rows are there? One row. How many column? Two column, right? Column means vertical, row means horizontal. Next, column matrix. What is column matrix? The same. A matrix having only one column, right? Column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column, right? One column. How to write? Any alphabet, whatever alphabet you like, you should take. For example, B is equal to A11, A21, etc. A M1. That means M rows, only one column, right? Now, example, B is equal to 1, 2. How many rows are there? Sorry. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many column? Only one column. Right. Ulta. The row matrix means 1 by 2. Order is column matrix means 2 by 1. Right. Null matrix. Null matrix means what? Null matrix or void matrix or zero matrix. Right. 0 or null or void, right? What does it mean? If all the elements are 0, if all the elements of a matrix are 0, matrix or 0, what it is? 0 matrix or null matrix or void matrix, right? All the elements are 0 means that is 0 matrix or null matrix or what? Void matrix. 0 matrix can be of any order, right? Any order. It may be a square matrix or it may be a rectangular matrix. The order is 2 by 3 or 3 by 3, like that it will come, right? Now, 0 matrix can be of any of the order. This is note, okay? You have to keep it in your mind, children. Next, square matrix. Square matrix means what? Square means all the sides are equal. The same way, number of rows and number of columns are equal. Number of rows and number of columns are equal. If the number of rows and columns, already you know the things. Again, I am refreshing the concept. That's it, right? Number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows and number of columns of a matrix are equal, which is called square matrix. Example, number of rows and number of columns. See, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta. Even trigonometry also it comes under the matrix format. How many rows? 1, 2, right? 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2. See, number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then how you call it as? It is a square of order 2, right? It is a square of order, which is a square of order 2. Square of order 2. That means number of rows and number of columns are equal. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Now you see a square matrix, upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. Two things are there, right? Upper triangular matrix. First, triangular matrix I will explain, right? Triangular matrices, right? What does it mean, triangular matrix? Triangular matrix means it is a square matrix. A square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal. The main diagonal means what? It should move from left to right. Main diagonal or leading diagonal or all 0. All or 0 is called triangular matrix, right? Triangular matrix. Triangular matrix, right? Below or above the main diagonal, all the entries are all 0. That we call it as triangular matrix. In that, two types are there. That I will discuss tomorrow, right? Thank you, children. Just I am refreshing the concept, that's all.